So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can log in your Instagram deleted account or how you can recover your Instagram deleted account. So friends, for this, first of all open your Instagram application, and guys, when you're trying to log in, if you also find this kind of problem, so first of all check that is your username is correct, and if you find that your username is correct, so in that condition tap on forget in password option guys. And then friends, if your account is linked with email address, so fill your email address, and if your account is linked with mobile number, so tap on search by mobile number instant, and here fill your mobile number. So currently my account is linked with email address, so I will fill mail address. So I will fill my mail address and then tap on continue option guys. And friends, as you tap on continue option, a OTP will be sent to your mail address or phone number which is linked and which you selected. And guys, after then a OTP will be sent to your phone number or mail address which you selected. After filling the OTP, a new page will be open where you can create a new password of your account. So friends, here create a new password of your account and then tap on continue option. And guys, as you tap on continue option, your Instagram account password will be changed. And guys, after that, by using your phone number or email address and by using the new password of account which you created, you can easily log in your account. And friends, keep in mind, when you delete our Instagram account, you can only recover your account before 30 days, or guys, if 30 days is passed, you can't recover your Instagram account. Or friends, if you deleted your account or the days has been passed, so you can't recover. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Or friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.